Today we have Dr. Sapna Malviya from Modern Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. Dr. Sapna Malviya ma'am has completed her B Pharma and M Pharma from B.R. Nahata College of Pharmacy, Mandsaur. Later she pursued MBA degree from IGNOU University, New Delhi. Later she accomplished doctorate in pharmaceutical science. Presently she is working head of the department under Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Science, Indore. We welcome you ma'am to our program Thoughts on Education.
Thank you very much. I'm glad to be associated with you.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, let's start with our interview. So, ma'am, you are working as you started your professional career as an in education institute. So, ma'am, what are the key factors that keep you connected to the educational sector?
See, basically, starting with my endeavors, my mother is a teacher. So I was very much in depth associated with her since childhood. So she was teacher and she was continuously inspiring me throughout my life. So I started my career as education, and indeed my husband played a very important role because he initiated me, he appreciated me in each and every aspect. So being an educationalist, the right now the need of art to be a mentor for students. So mentorship was there from childhood only, with associated with me. Therefore, I thought to join education as my career.
That's really nice, ma'am. So, ma'am, being the HOD of the Modern Institute of Pharmacy, Indore, what do you think? What according to you the leadership is?
Creativity is a key to success, said by Dr. APJ Kalam. A leader should be so bold and so associated with the team, and it is always said that leaders should eat at last. So, being a leader, you should be a very good in managing your team. So, innovation, compassionate nature, caring for your team, leading your team, and getting benefits at the last is the need of hour, and every leader should do that. And obviously, a leader should be well groomed, nurtured, and talented in each and every aspect, which I believe. And, and I'm been blessed to be associated with this group, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, under the leadership of Shri Anil Kharia, Chairman of Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences.
Ma'am, education system in India and in foreign country are very different. So, in your experience, what can a student gain from studying here in your institute, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Science?
Okay, thank you for a very good question. See, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences seeks the champion who are driven to be innovative and compassionate leaders in pharmaceutical profession. We empower the pharmaceutical professionals by advancing their invention in healthcare sectors. Our institute is Central India's best comprehensive institute, founded by Honorable Shri Prabhat Chand Kharia sir. We bring together ideas, expertise, and resources to mentor and foster pharma professionals. We believe that our teaching pedagogies are so unique and exemplary, which can transform the students to be successful professional. Our nationally recognized pharmaceutical institute offer training opportunities in pharmaceutical industries, as we are only institute blessed by or having sister concern driven by two pharmaceutical industries, Modern Laboratories and Nandini Medical Laboratories Private Limited. Our student has best placement, and we are recognized by CII survey of AICT as Platinum Rank Institute. We are best institute in the Indore, what I believe.
Ma'am, nice, ma'am. So, ma'am, any insight of how your university could welcome students to different race and economic background?
See, basically, our institute is we enrich and heighten the creative skills of students, their interpersonal skills, their communication skills, and obviously their innovative and pharmaceutical skills by mentoring them in various competitive courses apart from their basic studies. Our vision is to train the students to become a quality executive with high standards of professionalism and ethics. by utilizing our excellent resources. We only institute in MP exactly having backed by two pharmaceutical industry. So our students, although are there from economical background, but they are so groomed that they can have their placements in the higher sectors in various MNCs, in most probably in QA, QC, marketing, production, pharmacovigilance. In hospitals, they are acquiring positions, and many of the students have their established their own startups. Means we are appropriate in doing and nurturing our students.
Fine. So, ma'am, what is your roles and responsibility in your institute and to your students?
See, basically, I am head department of pharmacy, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, associated with more than a decade with this organization. I'm to be starting off when a student enters to their exit and then beyond exit also. I am associated with my alumni. So basically, I see their overall nurturing, their grooming, their technical skills, their practical skills, enhancement of their practical skills. We organize various seminars, workshops, entrepreneurship awareness camp sponsored by Government India like MSME, DST, NEMAT, and AERB. So we are continuously into research and training, and we advance our students with our educational pedagogies. Apart from it, we as a team in the Modern Group of Institute or Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences have been associated with various pharmaceutical industries. Being associated with the pharmaceutical industries, we have signed various MOUs. We as a team are being associated with research publications. We go for various research publication in reputed journals. Recently, we have our patent published, approved by Government of India for treatment of Alzheimer's. And apart from it, I am associated as a team in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for training and placement of students, for overall grooming of students.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so what according to you, as you are the head of your institute, so what according to you, your institute is having the priority for next 10 years?
See, basically for next 10 years, we want to explore more opportunities for our teams related to research and R&D. As we have the backbone of pharmaceutical industry, so we want to encourage our students and our teachers to nurture their research work and explore their various parameters on the research skills by developing. Although we have sophisticated modernized instruments in our institute, but we want to develop our research oriented environment more in our college premises, so that our students will be more nurtured and more talented in the field of their research and development. Apart from it, as we have been already doing that, then also we want to explore our depths in our patents and publications. We have various association with the government sponsored project with AICT, PCI, RGPV University, and DST NEMAT, but we want to explore our fronts on research and development more.
Okay, ma'am, that's nice. So, ma'am, at your institute, how do you tend to establish relationship between faculties member and students?
See, basically, we in the modern stay as a family only. So our students and our teacher remain so cohesive with us as a family only. We resolve all their queries, and as our faculties are very much developed or groomed in the research, but then we tend to develop their parameters more so that they can be a future leader, because if they will move one step ahead, we will simultaneously move with them only. College is based on two things only. Apart, we have very good infrastructure, but our college is based on our mutual relationship with our employees and our students. So our students, basically, when they enter in our Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, to their exit and beyond, as I already told you, we take care of them on each and every step. When they enter the premises, we just take care of their health and hygiene too. We follow all the safety rules. What is it seen in the COVID? We are saying that we follow that safety rules in the COVID also. Then our students are trained in each and every aspect. As you know, this world is a competitive right now. So competitive world demand multifaceted personality. So we, being in MIPS, mentor all our students, and we have our group director also, Dr. Puneet Kumar Divedi. He's been continuously, simultaneously associated with us. So we, in the Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, take care of bringing of our student. Means once the student is entered, he should go outside the institute by turning himself as a multifaceted personality. Means he should be a very good pharmacist, very good communicator, he should be innovative, he should be good in his communication skills, he should have all the solving parameters. Means he should be a problem solver. That is the need of era. So our student is overall master in each and everything, and we try to develop each and everything in our student. And our teacher, our mentors, our faculties are continuously hardworking and dedicated towards our premises for each and every activity.
And that's nice. The success of institute depends on the student, and if you are
Yes.
focusing on each and every aspect of the student, then
Yes.
it is very nice. So, ma'am, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Yes. I would like to give my suggestion like dream high. Always dream high. See, your positive attitude can take you to the various heights in your life. While dreaming high, you will make your focus to reach to your goal. So everyone in your life has various goals, but some people tend to reach their goals on the later stage of life. So be patient, have perseverance, have the passion to reach the goal. That passion and then intensity to reach the goal will take you to the goal. Believe me, everyone accomplished their goal. I was reading the anecdote of Dr. APJ Kalam last night. So he launched SLR-3. So he continuously worked for it. Whatever questions you asked me, as a leader, he had very good leaders associated with him. So he turned to be a good leader. Your network and your association tend to do wonders in your life. So be in the network, use social media positively, use very good people around you. How people associate around you and what is your network make you a super person, multifaceted personality. Means you can become a superman, superwoman. Means that is very much humorous, I am telling you, but you can become whatever you want to do if you have your mentorship. Undergo SWOT analysis every day, every week, every month, every year, whenever you want to do that. But keep your mentors associated with you and dream high. Your goals will be definitely accomplished.
Yes, ma'am. We should be patient and dedicated to our goals. Then definitely we will achieve our success. So, ma'am, my last question. Ma'am, anything you want to tell our audience about your institute that they might not know?
Yes. USP of our institute is to groom and develop the industrialist. See, we are only in central India backed by two pharmaceutical industry. No one is there as our competitor. So these pharmaceutical industries, basically we have the uniqueness that we provide industry visit to our student in each semester. So student is well associated with the benchmarks of the industry. See what happens in the theory, it is different thing. But when you do things practically and you put yourself in the situation, then only you can get the results. So we in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences nurture you to be the best professionals, and we provide innovation and innovative technology for the students so that students can build their scientific endeavors. Apart from it, we are associated with MSME. MSME Modern Incubator is there, where our students can avail the grant of 1 crore rupees. Recently, seeing the COVID scenario, we have provided insurance, medical insurance for our students, so that students can have their safe and bright future ahead. We are platinum ranked institute. We organized various workshops related to entrepreneurship. See, need of the era is to move towards the business oriented places where you can give job to number of people. Working, it is fine, many of us are working, but then if you can provide a job opportunities to different people, what you are doing, you are creating and building the Atmanirbhar Bharat. What is the prime minister is regularly telling, vocal for local. So become entrepreneur, be associated with Modern, groom yourself, indeed glorify and nurture your career with us.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your time to us. It's really great to have you on our program. Thank you so much, ma'am.
I am also thankful to you that you have approached me for this interview, so that a message towards youth can be easily spread through your media. Thank you very much for this opportunity.